Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you commutative property and associative property. So let's start it. First of all, commutative property. Commutative property means if we think about a two number and addition process, that means a plus b is equals to b plus a. That means if we can change the order, then commutative property is applied. Okay, if we can change the order for the same operation and if we get the same answer, then commutative property can be applied there. Okay, that means only we need to change the order. In whatever process, we can change the order and get the same answer. In that, commutative property is true. Here, first of all, we have rational number for the addition, right? If we add two rational number, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7, so we get same answer if we change the order. That means 5 by 7 plus 2 by 3, right? If we add 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 is equals to 5 by 7 plus 2 by 3. Addition process is always commutative for all the type of operation, for all the type of numbers. That means rational, integer, whole and natural. Okay, addition is always commutative for all the type of numbers. Okay, so you can change the order in addition process. Okay, let's take a simple example. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Now check this. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it's a 3 by 3, right? Denominator is same, so 1. Same thing in right hand side. 2 plus 1 3 by 3, same. We can get same answer in addition. So addition is commutative for rational numbers. Now let's take one example for integer number. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 and 3 plus 2, it is also 5, right? So we can change the order. That means 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 2. So in integer even addition, in integer even it is commutative for addition process, right? So here even, yes, same thing for whole number. Again we can take same example, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. It is true for the natural number even. Okay, addition process is commutative for all the type of numbers. Now subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative for all the type of numbers. Okay, subtraction is not commutative for all the type of numbers, because if we can change the order, then positive number becomes negative and negative becomes positive. Let's take one example. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 2 minus 1 1, 1 by 3. Now change the order. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So here 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, it's a minus 1. So if we get here plus 1 by 3, if we change the order, we can get negative 1 by 3. Okay, always we get answer as a additive inverse if we change the order. Okay, so that is the reason, this is the reason that subtraction process is not commutative. Same thing apply for the integer number, whole number and natural number, because 2 minus 1 it is 1, but 1 minus 2 it is minus 1. These two are not same, so subtraction is not commutative, right? Then for the multiplication. Now in multiplication, multiplication is always commutative for all the type of numbers, whatever type here given. That means for rational, integer, whole and natural number. So multiplication is commutative for all these four type of numbers. Okay, let's take one example. 5 by 7 multiply 11 by 3. So 11 into 5, 55. 7 into 3, 21. Now change the order. That means 11 by 3, multiply 5 by 7. So again 11 into 5, 55. 7 3s are 21. Okay, so our answer is same. So multiplication is commutative for rational number. Okay. So this is the reason that multiplication is commutative for all these four type of numbers. Then let's take a integer number. 3 2s are 6 and same thing 2 3s are even 6. So this is true for integer, whole and natural. That means all four type of numbers multiplication is commutative. Okay. Then division. Now division process is not commutative for all these four type of numbers. Okay, division is not commutative for all these four type of numbers. Now let's take some example for integer number. Means 7 by 2. Let's take some simple example. 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is equals to 3, but 2 by 6. Here 2 3s are, so 3 is in numerator, right? Again 2 3s are, but here answer is 1 upon 3. Nothing is remaining in numerator, then we need to write 1, and in denominator we have 3. So initially 6 by 2 we get answer 3, but 2 by 6 we get answer 1 upon 3. Okay, these two answers are not same, that's why division is not commutative. Right, these are the integer number. Same thing we can apply for the rational number, same thing we can apply for the whole number, same thing we can apply for the natural number. Let's take one example for rational number. 2 by 3 divide 5 by 7. Now numerator's denominator goes to denominator and denominator's denominator in numerator. So 7 2s are 14 and 5 3s are 15. Now change the order. That means 5 by 7 upon 2 by 3. So denominator's denominator goes to numerator and numerator's denominator goes to denominator. So 5 3s are 15 in numerator and 7 2s are 14. So here we get multiplicative inverse as an answer if we change the order. Right? So division is not commutative because we cannot get the same answer for all these four type of numbers. So here no, no, no and no. Now let's revise it. Addition, all the four type, yes, yes, yes. Subtraction, no, no, no. Multiplication, yes, 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 yes. Division, no, 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 no. Right? So for addition is commutative for all these four type of number. Multiplication is commutative for all these four type of number. But subtraction and division is not commutative for all the four type of numbers. Then associative property. Now what is associative property? It is a similar thing like commutative property, but in commutative property we have two numbers, but in associative property we have three numbers, and again we need to change the order. That means here we have three number A, B and C. Let's suppose if we have addition process, then first of all if we solve A plus B, then we solve plus C. And if same thing, first of all we solve B plus C, then we add A, and if we get same answer, then addition process is associative. That means this property we need to check for the three numbers. Okay, we need to check for the three numbers. I will give you example whenever I explain this addition process. But this is the thing. First of all we need to solve A plus B, then we need to do process with C. And in second case, first of all we need to solve B plus C. After that we need to solve with A, and if we get the same answer, then addition, otherwise whatever process we take, it is associative. So first of all, let's take one example. Just select three number, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and I will right now I am try to check addition process. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. Same thing, 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here only our bracket is changed. Okay, so here first of all we need to get the answer of this bracket. So first of all 3 plus 2, 5, then plus 4, it's a 9. Here what we need to do in second case, first of all we need to solve this. 4 plus 3, 7, and 7 plus 2, 9. Here we get same answer, right? Here we get same answer. So addition is associative for integer, whole and natural numbers, right? Because 2, 3 and 4, it is 2, 3 and 4. All these three number is integer even, whole number even and natural number even. Okay, so addition is commutative for integer number, whole number and natural numbers. Okay, same thing is applied for the rational numbers too. Okay, in rational number even, addition process is associative. Let's take a easy example, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and 5 by 3. First of all we solve this bracket. So 2 plus 1, it's a 3 by 3, then 5 by 3. So again add the numerator, 5 plus 3, 8 by 3, right? But if we solve 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and plus 5 by 3, and first of all we solve second bracket. So again 2 by 3 plus 5 plus 1, 6 by 3, right here. Now 6 plus 2, again 8 by 3. So we can get the same answer, right? So in rational number, for the rational number, addition process is associative, right? So addition process is commutative and associative for the rational number, integer number, whole number and natural number, right? Let's check it for the subtraction. 2 minus 3, okay, 7 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so if we solve first bracket, 7 minus 2, it's a 5, minus 3, it's a 2, right? Now change the order of bracket. So first of all solve this bracket. So 2 minus 3, plus minus minus, 3 minus 2, 1, big number sign, it's a minus. Okay, first of all we need to decide. So plus minus minus, 3 minus 2, 1, big number sign, big number is 3 here, and sign is minus, so minus 1. Now minus minus plus 1, so 7 plus 1, our answer is 8, right? In first case we get 2, in second case we get 8, right? So this is not associative, right? So we can say that all these four type of number, subtraction process is not associative, because these three numbers are rational numbers, even, integer, whole and natural, right? So subtraction process is not associative for all these four type of numbers. Okay, then check for the multiplication. Okay, now in multiplication, let's take some example. 2, 3, 4. If we multiply 3 to the 6 and after multiply with 4, then 24. Now we can change the order. First of all, 4 3s are 12, multiply 2, again it's a 24, right? So we get same answer here. So multiplication process is associative. Okay, and these three numbers are rational, integer, whole and natural. All the type of numbers are covered, right, in 2 3 4, because 2 3 4 is rational number 2, integer number even, whole number even and natural number even. So the multiplication process is associative for all these four type of numbers. Now for the division. Now for the division, again for the division is not associative. Let's take some example. 12 divided by 4 divided by 2. First of all, 12 divided by 4, it's a 3. Then divide by 2. So finally 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2. Then change the order. Again 12, 4 and 2. First of all, solve the bracket. 4 by 2, it's a 2, and 12 by 2, it's a 6. Here we get 3 by 2, but here we get 6. So this is not same, right? So this is the reason that division process is not associative, right? Alternately, we get same answer for the commutative and associative property. In both the case, commutative property and associative property, addition is associative even and commutative even for all these 4 type of numbers, right? Same thing for the multiplication. Multiplication is commutative and associative for all these 4 type of rational number. Sorry, for all these 4 type of numbers. That means rational, integer, whole and natural. Then subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative, not associative for all these 4 type of numbers. Same thing for the division. Division is not commutative and not associative for all these 4 type of numbers. Okay.